Today, we are going to talk about the issue of Discord not opening on certain computers. Irrespective of the countless updates and developments, Discord still comes up with new issues that stop you from accessing it. So, we have found some solutions for you to resolve this problem. So, let's get started. Method 1. Restart or relaunch the app. Restarting the program is the easiest way to resolve this issue with Discord. Just close the app using Task Manager if you are using Discord from your computer. Then restart the program and it should solve the issue. Method 2. Update Discord. The next solution that you can try out is updating Discord. Search for Discord on your Windows search bar and then check for updates. If there is one, go ahead and install it. Method 3. Check if the Discord servers are down or not. If the Discord servers are down, it can lead to this problem. So check the forums and social media handles to see if the Discord servers are down or not. Before we get any further, make sure to subscribe to our channel. With your support, we can continue making these videos. Method 4. Change Windows date and time. In case the date and time of the Windows is not aligned with Discord, it can also cause this issue. So click on the date and time option at the lower right side of your computer and adjust it. Also, turn on the option of Set Time Automatically. Then restart your computer. Method 5. Clear app data and local app data. You can also clear the app data and local app data to solve this issue. Close the Discord program, then press Windows plus R and open the run command. Then type %appdata% and in the next window, find the Discord folder and delete it. Now relaunch the app and see if the issue is resolved or not. Method 6. Reinstall Discord. If the issue persists, the last resort is to uninstall and reinstall Discord. The process is easy. You can simply go to the control panel and then to Programs. Under the Programs list, find Discord and uninstall it. Once the process is complete, reinstall it again and the issue should be resolved. Method 7. Use the web version of Discord. Well, an alternative to all the hassle is to use the web version of Discord. Head over to the official website of Discord, log into your account and enjoy. And that's it. We hope you now understand how to resolve this issue of Discord not opening. If you have liked this video and found it informative, consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.